Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. I'm gonna be cleaning with you guys. I personally love these kind of videos, y'all. Like, I watch these videos day and night. And I also feel like when I clean, I like to watch them just because it motivates me to continue cleaning. So today I'm cleaning my bedroom. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys get to see my mess. And what about it? So let's get started. So I don't know about you guys, but the first thing that I do is do my bed. So I'm just kind of fluffing up the pillows because me and Brian sleep crazy and our pillows are always deformed. And I start putting my decorative pillows back because I'm a huge fanatic of decorative pillows. I always keep them on the side of my little chairs. Oops, she's going off. I always do this little like chop thing to them. I'm not sure exactly what you call that, but I think it gives it such a clean look. And I just do my bed. And here's my chunky knitted blanket that I think is so cozy. But you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you'd know I got the wrong color. It's a little yellow for me, but it is what it is. I couldn't return it because it was too expensive to ship back. But I do notice it collects these little like ball-ends. I'm not even sure what I'm trying to say, but it's hard to upkeep. But other than that, I mean, I think it's absolutely beautiful and it just gives my bed a really, really cozy look. I just want to mention the elephant in the room. Literally, girl, I look so crazy in this video, you guys. Don't mind me. I always look like this when I clean, so that's just the reality. But this is why I always do my bed first, because it just tidies up the room in general. Even though you have a mess, it just looks better. Immediately after doing the bed, I like to clean the nightstands. This is Brian's side, and shockingly enough, it was not dirty. You guys, his will be extremely messy, but Brian usually likes to help me out, so he's just like picking up some stuff on the floor. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm filming this at 3 p.m. Girl, the entire morning, I don't know what I was doing, but I was in my PJs all day. It was a Sunday. It was just that kind of day. But I promise you, for the most part, every single morning, I do all of this. I do not wait till the middle of the day. But this is my side, you guys. Oh, by the way, I'm using like a Mr. cup, soon to be Mr. Hello. So the very first thing that I always do is just chuck the water that I left the night before. I wasn't able to chuck the whole water bottle down because it was like literally full, but I just clean up. Like I said, do this every single morning. I feel like, you know, when cleaning, if you do it every single day, it makes it more difficult. A great example is my dresser. Whew, girl, that was filthy. But I use this Mayor spray, you guys. You can get at Stater Brothers, Target, anywhere like that, and it smells so good. So right now that I was like dusting my flowers, that's not something that I do every single day. I'll just kind of like pick up my nightstand. So, you know, she ain't that clean, girl, period. And don't forget to always lift up and clean under. And that's basically about it with the nightstands. I'm going to put my coffee, my little soon to be Hermister coffee back. And that is my nightstand. So this right here, what you're seeing, I don't do every day again. That's like a once a week. I was about to say once a year. That's a once a week thing. I want to show you guys my little lash box. I don't like that it's clear because it freaks me out. It kind of looks like spiders. So if you guys have any recommendations, I was thinking maybe like a little wooden box. I also want like a little cup to put my rings. And then I always have a coaster there for my coffee. And that is it, girl. So moving on to Brian's side, wiping down the lamp, going under, you know, really deep cleaning. Dude, my little Mayor spray was not working. So if you guys see me spraying like crazy, I don't normally do that. It was just not spraying out a lot. So on his nightstand, he just has this little Google Home tablet, which a lot of people always ask me. And this is just a little picture of our wedding day, and voila. We're slowly getting there. Ignore these floors. First off, this is exactly what I meant when you do not clean every single day. It piles up like this. I have makeup, more makeup. I got some stuff from Target, hair, more makeup. I don't even know. Like, I don't know how this happened, but I'm just putting everything back in its place, you know, because nothing on here belongs here. By the way, y'all, in case you were wondering why my dresser does not match the rest of my decor, so I'm actually trying to find the matching dresser to my nightstands. So soon I will change that out, which I do like my grays. I will be incorporating more light grays in my bedroom. By the way, this little bear is a bear that Brian got me. And you guys, because I'm such a neutrals girl and you know, I feel like the little bear with the red kind of threw off the decor. But you know what? It was a gift. And I just thought she deserved to be on the dresser. So there she is, thriving. Does anyone else have this issue? My lashes get stuck everywhere and I swear I thought it was spiders, but girl. I was so frustrated at this point because it was not coming out. So I literally just got my freaking hand and just kind of spilled it all over the dresser. So that kind of helped. But I'm just going over each little item. And I still have my wedding bouquet. This is a little frame of Handsome, you guys. In the back, it actually doesn't have that little thing where you could lean on. So I have to lean it against the wall. I'm not sure if that's like a permanent spot just because it kind of looks like a little memorial thing. And he's still alive. So I don't know if I like that. But every single morning, I like to turn on this little diffuser. So this diffuser I actually got from Walmart. I think it's really cute. It lights up. So I just go ahead and pour the water. And like always, I always make a mess. And then I have these little like oil diffusers. Oil diffusers? Am I even saying that right? Oil scents. Oh my god, I like to pour literally like 10 of each. I have the lemon and the orange one. I got this also at Walmart and I think it's definitely on the cheaper side because I have to pour so freaking much for it to smell, but I think it's great and it just sets the mood. And I do this every morning and night. Now to the left of my bedroom, I have these little cute chairs. So this sitting area, I swear to you, I thought I would never use, but I actually do. I'll be on my phone, I'll have a coffee. It's definitely a vibe. Oh my god, I totally forgot about my little slippers, but one of them is missing a bow. But this little picture right here is an engagement picture. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to switch out that little frame to this because the engagement picture is a little bit bigger. This one is very special because it was a wedding gift, but I also really like our engagement picture. So Brian's just kind of like holding up which one's better because I did take some pictures so I can ask you guys on Instagram which one y'all liked. Just as I thought, the engagement picture won. So I have these command strips, you guys. And as you can tell, I also used a little command strip for this one. And I love this because you don't get to damage your walls. When I tell you I have so many holes on my walls, and I'm so glad y'all don't get to see my walls because I'm filming from far. But girl, it is so annoying just to like look around the room and see so many. So now I just use command strips. It doesn't remove any paint whatsoever. So I absolutely love that. So if you guys are like renting, I feel like these would come in handy. Personally for me, I just use it because I hate the holes on the wall. Like I had this phase where I would literally just need to fill every single part of my walls up. And I just hate looking at my walls now. We're almost there. So to the right side of my dresser, we have the scale. We have this beautiful plant that Karina got for me at Home Depot. And then also the pot is from there too. And then Handsome's little beds here. And we have these like random pillows, you guys. I don't know why they're there, but we're gonna get rid of them. So this little tray right here, you guys, a lot of people ask me where it's from. It's from Target. And Brian's just fixing it because I broke it. So I'm getting rid of these pillows and his bed for now. The pillows got to go. I don't know why they were there without a pillowcase. But as you can see, this entire corner, since Handsome hangs out here, it was filthy, unfortunately, because he's just always outside. And then I just have more random shoes I'm going to be picking up. I had to include this clip because who else does not take a 10-hour break? So now that I took my hour break, I literally think I was sitting there for an hour. I am now barriendo. I always broom. You know what? I have to say I do not like this style of cleaning anymore because I get dust all over the place when I broom. So if y'all got like a vacuum that you guys recommend, please let me know because I'm used to the old style, but I feel like it's time I change it up because all the cleaning videos that I see, they use like vacuums and all. So I need to upgrade. But Brian always comes in handy. You know, he cleans like the molduras and stuff. He just makes sure to clean the walls. You know, make sure y'all don't forget about your walls because walls also get dirty. Last but not least, we're gonna mop. I use water with pine sol. We like to call it pino sol with bleach, and I just go ahead and mop, girl. Honestly, you guys, I really just want to apologize and mention again how ridiculous I look. I was cringing because I'm someone that already has very little to no hair, and people. It's funny because people are always concerned, like, oh my god, is she balding? But I don't have a lot of hair, you guys. Okay, and my hair was so oily, so oily. I'm cringing so hard. So on top of me not having a lot of hair, now oily, it looks like I got 3 hairs growing out of my head. I'm cringing so hard. I can't. The feet of it all, girl. Like, honestly, I'm just laughing at myself at this point. One major thing I forgot to mention are these floors. They never really have been my favorite, but you guys, no matter how many times I go, it's just like this style that just naturally looks sturdy. Like I went over hella a lot more times off camera, but my floors just always have looked dirty even though they're clean. And last but not least, I did clean my mirror with some Windex. This plant is from IKEA, if you guys are wondering. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I truly do love seeing my room clean. I try to keep it clean for the most part, but you know, this is what happens when it accumulates like in 3-4 days. So that's what you guys got to see. I hope this inspires you to clean your room, girl, because I know it's dirty. But thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.